Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Masoor Dal. First, let's get our ingredients ready. Begin by rinsing 1 cup of Masoor Dal under cold water until it's completely clear. You can soak it for about 15 to 20 minutes to help it cook faster and achieve a better texture. While it soaks, prepare your aromatics. Finely chop 1 medium onion, 2 tomatoes, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 1-inch piece of ginger. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, let's build the foundation of our flavor with the tadka. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee or your preferred cooking oil in a medium-sized pot over medium heat. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them splutter for a few seconds, releasing their aroma. Next, add your finely chopped onions and sauté them until they become translucent and lightly golden. Finally, stir in the minced garlic and ginger, cooking for about 1 minute until they are wonderfully fragrant. With our tadka ready, it's time to add the main ingredients. First, add the chopped tomatoes to the pot and cook them until they soften and release their juices, about 3 to 4 minutes. Then, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Drain your soaked Masoor Dal and add it to the pot along with 3 cups of water. Bring everything to a boil, then reduce the heat, cover, and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the dal is tender. Our Masoor Dal is almost ready. Check its consistency. If it's too thick for your liking, add a splash of hot water and stir well. For an extra layer of warmth and aroma, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala. Finally, garnish generously with fresh, chopped cilantro. This vibrant herb adds a beautiful freshness. Serve your delicious, homemade Masoor Dal hot with steamed rice, warm roti, or fluffy naan for a truly satisfying and comforting meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.